Hello traders, this is lesson 2 for the Pro Traders Workshop. In today's lesson, I'm going to go over the harmonic patterns, very powerful and very simple way to trade, especially if you are using a smart trader platform because it will generate these patterns for you. You do not need to manually place those. So let's just go over a few trades that were taken, a few examples. And here's one example on Aussie Swiss. We had an ABC pattern, D pattern, and your entry is at D. This is a daily chart, and that trade generated 59 pips initially, and then after a retracement, it gave us 75 pips. This is a 4-hour chart. The higher the time frames, the more pips, the more powerful the technique is. Let me see if I can find any more on this. Here's another one on a daily chart. Again, there are two harmonic patterns here. We have an A, B, C, D. Your entry is at D, so we're buying. Notice the stochastics is also overbought. I'm sorry, oversold. And that's the entry. And then we're looking for targets at these extensions, or rather fib levels. And this one went all the way up to 38% retracement level. That generated about 200 pips. Here's another one. This is a bearish harmonic. So we have A, B, C, D. That's our entry. We have a bearish spinning at a swing high. Let me just make this bigger because you cannot see the candlestick reversal pattern. And there it is, bearish spinning top. That's the entry up here. And that generated about 173 pips. Retraced and then turned around and went south again for another 200, 300 pips. Okay. Let me see back. Here's one on euro dollar. Again, A, B, C, D. Our entry is at D. And notice how this rallied all the way up to 552 pips. Okay. So these harmonics we will go over in the trade room. I just wanted to briefly introduce you to them. And if you do have the Smart Trader platform, all you need to do is go to the Smart Analytic Tools, Smart Patterns, and click on Scan Smart Patterns, and it's going to generate these harmonics for you, harmonic patterns. Here's another one. Again, A, B, C, and D. And then we short at D, and then price shut down for about 563 pips. This is a daily chart. So extremely powerful way to trade. You'll know your entries. The stop losses are above the D level. So in this particular trade, here's D. Your stop loss would be above this area up here, and it just shows you where your stop loss would be. Okay. So that's it. If you are interested in scheduling an appointment this week, those of you who have subscribed to the Pro Traders Workshop, please let me know. Spaces are filling up, and I think I have 3 or 4 spots left for Thursday and Friday.